everyone? Hope all are good. Yes. Everyone finished your daily routine? What are those good habits? Early to get up, brush your teeth, take bath every day, clean your body parts, wear good and neat dress. Then you have to wash your hands with lots of soap or hand wash. How you have to wash? First you have to rub, then wash like this with butterfly. Like butterfly you have to wash your hands. Then between the fingers till the wrist. You have to wash like this. Yes, no children? Then what else? Yes, with the hands you need to wash your toes, feet, legs also. Correct? No? You are not doing no. Main thing, you all have to do your own work. You should not take help of mama for these small things. Yes, no children? You will all do no with this. You have to do yoga at least for 15 minutes. You are doing no? Yes. Now shall we move to our class? First is English. What we learned? English? Vowels and consonants. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Big letter A, E, I, O, U. These are all vowels. Other than vowels are the consonants. What are those? X, Y, and the last one is Z. All the underlines are consonants. All the circles are ovals. Correct, no? All the circled alphabets are ovals. All the underlined are consonants. Correct, no? With that, what we have to do? We will see some CVC words, that is consonant, oval and consonant. Okay? What is this CVC words? That means consonant, oval, consonant. Correct, no? Consonant, oval, consonant. We'll see some words. 3-letter words. Okay. Can. C-A-N. Only I am teaching A-N. Okay, we'll see A-N. Pan. P-A-N. T-A-N. Then what? Can, pan, tan, man. M-A-N. Then fan. F-A-N. Correct, no? In this, ovals are in middle. Yes, you are right. Ovals are in the middle. Okay, you come to know what is CVC words means. Consonant, oval and consonant. Consonant, oval and consonant. Okay, children, today I'll give you some different homework. Okay, what you have to do now? Homework. Write your name. One color name and one place name. And identify the ovals with circle. Okay, what you have to do now? Write your name. Okay, your name. Like example, Suyog. S-U-Y-O-G. If I write Suyog, in this what are ovals? This is oval. This is oval. Like that you have to circle. One color name. Any color name you can write. If I write blue. In this is circle and this is circle. Okay? One place. If I write Mysore. This is circle and this is circle. Okay? This is the homework part for you today. Okay, English. We will check the homework part and you write this one. Okay, you understood now? Now, shall we move to next class? That is maths. S-I-X, 6. S-E-V-E-N, 7. E-I-G-H-T, 8. N-I-N-E, 9. T-E-N, 10. Children, you all learned the numbers now, 1 to 10. Then number names also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10. 1, 2, O-N-E, 1, T-W-O, 2, T-H-R-E-E, 3, F-O-U-R, 4, F-I-V-E, 5, S-I-X, 6, S-E-V-E-X, 7, E-I-G-H-T, 8, N-I-N-E, 9, and the last one is T-N, 10. These all are the number and the number names. Okay? Yesterday you did the homework for the same thing, no? Number with the number names. Today's homework is take your square books or box book. First homework is write number names. For below numbers. Okay, I'm writing the number 4, 7, 9, 1. Okay, last one is 5. Okay, you have to write the number names 40, 4, 7, 9, 1 and 5. Another homework is second homework is you all have the mathematics readiness? No? Yesterday you completed the page number 12, the tracing of the number. Today you have to do mathematics readiness. Okay? Page number 13. Here you have to write the numbers. Write the numbers also and write the number names also. Already you have traced no previous page. That one only you have to do here also. You have to write the number names. Okay? First you have to write the date somewhere here. Here they are given not given the place for the date. It's okay. You write on the left corner the date. Okay? Then what you have to do? You have to write the numbers and number names. 2 homework. You have to square book. You have to write 4, 7, 9, 1 and 5. Okay? 4, 7, 9, 1 and 5. Okay? Another one is mathematics readiness, page number 13. Okay? This is all for your maths. Now shall we move to EVS? 4, 7, 9, 1, 5. Okay? EVS. As for we learned, what we learned about our parts of the body, my body. What we learned? Head, forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, tongue, ears. Then what is this? chin, cheeks, hands, arm, then elbow, palm, fingers, wrist, then here stomach, legs, feet, foot, then toes. There is knee also, then thighs also. You all have no the same body parts. That is our body parts. Okay. In that we learn 5 sense organs. 5 sense organs. Okay, we learned 5 sense organs. What are those? First one is eyes. Today briefly we will go to see eyes. It is also called a sight. 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 Sight means eyes. What is eyes? From eyes what we will do? We can see. We can see with our eyes. Yes, no children? We can see with our eyes. How will you see? Yes, the light around us will reflect in our eyes and it acts as a projector, and so that it reflects to the objects. Then only we can see. In the darkness, can you see? Let us do a small experiment. Okay. First, you take your palm. Don't press. Okay. Just you hold like this. Close your eyes and hold on this. Or just close your eyes. Or hold like this. For some time. Children, can you see anything? How you are feeling? It's too dark. Yes, no? You can't see anything, no? It is too dark. Yes, the eyes are so important to see the objects. If you have eyes only, you can see your parents, you can see your favorite movie, you can see the wonderful and colorful world, you can read, you can write, anything if you want to do, you should have the eyes. Yes, no? So, eyes is one important organ to us. Understood, children? Now, shall we move to nose? Second one is nose. What is that? Sense of smell. Smell. What is smell means? When Mama cooks something in the kitchen, if she cooks something, no, you feel in me it is coming like that. You will come to know, no? How you come to know? Yes, because of the good smell. If she is cooking any biryani or something else, if she is making puri and all or anything curry and all, how you will feel? It's very tasty. You will feel from the nose, correct, no? In the same time, if any bad smell is coming, if it is like a socks stinking or any garbage smell is coming, no, you will feel very bad, no? That is also because of the sense organ, which is that nose. Nose is a sense organ which stings your smells. Okay, what it does, it helps in taking the smell. Nose, we can the good smell, bad smell, anything if it comes means nose. The bad things inside our body will comes out of the nose. The second one is nose. Nose is another one important sense organ. The third one is our ears. Ears sound. We can hear with our ears. Okay. Okay, we can hear with our ears. How can you hear with your ears? That sounds. Good sound or harsh sound, anything you can hear from your ears. Yes, no, when you are watching movie, where you hear the sound, you will see, no, that fighting sound that you will hear, no, that is through your ears only. When mama is making the puja, you can hear the sound of the bell. And if you go outside, you can hear the sound of the horns, of different kinds of horns from the vehicles. These are our ears. Today we learned 3 important sense organs. What are those? Eyes, nose, ears. For this, we will do a small experiment on the ears. Okay? What you have to do? Just you close your eyes and hear to the sound around your place. Okay? We will do a small experiment. Just you close your eyes for 1 second or 1 minute. Okay? We will do. Start. Okay, children, now slowly open your eyes. What kind of sound you hear? When it is very calm, no, you can hear I am hearing some sound of water here. For you, yes, anything. Maybe it's vessel sound, maybe washing sound, maybe vehicle sound. Yes, no? This you try at home. Okay, the homework for this, okay, with this, again, we will go to, tell me more book is there, no? Yesterday we did one small conversation, no? We will go through that. How many fingers do you have? I have 10 fingers. How many toes do you have? I have 10 toes. How does your neck help you? My neck helps me to move my face right, left, up and down. This you go through. Today also you go through that. Okay. Today's homework is EVS workbook. Page number 3 and page number 4. Okay? 4. What are they? Stick and name all the 5 sense organs. Below they are given the 5 sense organs. Just you cut that organs and stick in the, okay, stick in the places of that. Like if they are given eyes, you cut the eyes and you have to stick there. If they are given nose, you have to cut that part and you have to stick there. The mouth in the place of mouth, and you need to name the parts of that body. Okay, if you stick the eyes, you have to write EYES like that. Okay, the next page is 5th one is uses of sense organs. Mark the sense organ on the left to which it is used. Okay, then you need to see. I am telling you an example. First one they are given nose. Why the nose is for? To smell. There in the opposite side they are given a flower. Flower you can smell it, no? So you need to match. Ears they are given one bell. For that you need to match like that. Just you go to match it properly with the corresponding sense organ. You will all do, no children? Okay. As of today, the two homeworks, EVS workbook, page number 3 and page number 4. Then you just learn the conversation of the questions also. My body parts. Okay. Okay. Hope you all do good. Take care.